It's a game you can't win. Enjoy the ride.
To me.
Dear Santa, I would like a new pair of cowgirl boots, a Harry Potter one, and a Harry Potter book set. If I do not get any of these, then I won't be mad. I will enjoy Christmas without presents. Love, Emily. What?
We gotta get that on video.
First,
So
you
when
put,
you're,
let me highlight some things. First, you put want, and Mommy asked you to change that to I would like. Then that's all you put. You didn't even put love Emily the first time. No. Then you added all the stuff Mommy said. If I don't get anything, I will still enjoy Christmas without presents. It doesn't mean you're not going to get presents. It just means that you might not get what you asked for. Okay, Reagan, what did you write to Santa?
I Emily wrote those things, but I wrote the guitar, a leaf pad, and the Santa, and I spelled love Reagan Ramsey.
It's super cute.
Family and airstream.
It's a family and an airstream?
Yeah.
You cut that?
Yeah.
Oh, and you drew. Yeah. What did you ask Santa for Christmas?
I give this Santa.
Well, what did you ask him for Christmas? What did you ask Santa for?
Nothing. I cried.
I know, but what are you gonna... You're gonna send him that paper and ask him for something for Christmas since you were crying and you couldn't tell him. So what would you like to ask for Christmas?
A milk control and a car motorcycle and a motorcycle.
Motorcycles?
A motorcycle bike.
We saw it at Walmart.
Oh, we did?
Yeah.
A motorcycle bike?
Yeah.
Like a big one?
No,
Yeah.
it's like a regular bicycle, but it's like looks like a motorcycle.
Oh, you already have a bike.
No, but it looks super duper cool.
You come see it.
Okay, I can see it sometime. So what else would you like from Santa, buddy?
I want a milk control car and a motorcycle. That Santa give a milk a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, Santa gave that.
Look, Mommy.
Okay,
This
well,
is
we'll
how
write
I
it.
fold it.
We'll write it down. Cool. Now you can fly it to the North Pole.
It won't even fly
Coley.
really far.
What is that thing that you use when you're out in the rain and you need to cover yourself from the rain? What is that called?
A go-go.
A what?
This is go-go paper.
No, an umbrella.
A umbrella.
Where y'all going? Okay.
That's this last one, right?
Colt, you're gonna get hit by the tree.
It's gonna be a big turn.
That was the biggest timber I've ever seen. Wow. It's pulling our Christmas tree.
Where are we putting it?
In the airstream.
Right?
What are we celebrating about? What are we about to celebrate?
Okay. We're going to celebrate Christmas, right? These are sticky too, I'm afraid. All right. What is this now?
Candy
What letter of the alphabet is this?
J.
J. All right. How about that? Who was born on Christmas?
Jesus.
Sure was. Okay, now, the angels went out and they told some very important people. The first ones that were told by the angels of the birth, who was it?
Joseph.
No.
Who are the people?
How about the shepherds that were watching? This is the shepherds. Things like that. Okay. That's what the shepherds' stake is like. They have that staff. Okay. Because they were the first ones that were told. Okay, now let's
maxed out.
Cool. Hey, whatever works.
Watch out, you better not cry. You better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. You don't cry, you read about Anna. I can't say it. Okay, just give up.